Today we have a set of TERRO outdoor liquid ant bait stakes. These are the same grade quality ant baits that you can buy for inside your home, for outside your home. In this package you get 12 ant stakes, a little bit of the directions and stuff like that. And inside of this little box, and we bought these ourselves, these weren't sent to us, that's it for the box. So just like the other ones, kind of break them apart and then break the little cap off, stick it into the ground, and then the ants will come and eat the bait. They give you 4, 8, 12 total bait stakes. Let's go put them in our yard, show you what they look like. So when you stick these in the ground, you take them to this line right here at my thumb. Once it's in the ground, you cut off the top so the ants can go inside to get the bait. And there it is in the ground. And then you just clip your top off. And now they can get in, just like this. See, they're going in this one already. And there we go. That'll do it for these outdoor ant bait stakes. Again, we purchased this product because we needed it. Seems to work great. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.